Okay, Dad, would you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am and sir. I'm Mary Ann Larawan. I'm 33 years old. I'm single mom. I have two children. My children is age of 8 years old and 7 years old.
Okay, so who will take care of your children when you come to Hong Kong?
My mother, ma'am.
Your mom. Okay. So where did you work before?
In Philippines. I worked the Philippines in 2 years.
Okay, and how about Hong Kong?
I worked in Hong Kong in 2 months in Saigon.
Saigon. Okay, how many family member?
3 person.
3 person. Okay, so they are mom and sir and children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are the children?
9 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me what is your job duties?
I prepare the breakfast of the daughter of my employer, ma'am. Lunch break and dinner. Then I pick the school. I go to marketing, cleaning, and ironing.
Okay, just the household and also take care of the daughters, right? Okay, so why you only work for 2 months?
Because my employer is not communicate, ma'am.
What do you mean not communicate?
She's very hard to communicate. Then my employer is stay here in the house and she's
Okay.
always watching me in the work. I cannot concentrate.
Okay, so you want to find another employer now. So what do you want to take care?
Children, ma'am, any kind, ma'am.
Children and anything. Okay, so are you afraid of dog?
No, ma'am.
You can take care of dog, even the
Yes.
big one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if a holiday have to be on Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but if your employer asks you to work on your holiday, is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, but sometimes when you take care of children, Gong Gong and Po Po, just grandpa and grandma will come to Hong Kong, just come to their home to visit. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Assist you?
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook Chinese food, ma'am, but that's a little bit. But I'm willing to cook the Chinese food, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Dede. Bye bye.
Bye bye.